on the rope. Early lead is taken by La Puria Roja, Maypan by the rail, and Gold Cugat, Diamond Dane, and Spread My Wings is bringing up the rear. At the mid-back stretch, it's still La Puria Roja in the lead, followed by Maypan in second, and running now in third is entry number 3, Spread My Wings. On the outside is entry number 4, Gold Cugat and Diamond Dane. Rounding the far turn, there is still La Puria Roja in the lead by half a length, followed by Maypan in second. And closing in third is entry number 3, Spread My Wings, Gold Cugat, Diamond Dane. The last bend for home, it is still La Puria Roja by 2.5 lengths, followed by Maypan, Spread My Wings on the outside. On the farther outside is Gold Cugat. At the top of the stretch, it is still La Puria Roja, followed by Maypan in between horses. But it's still La Puria Roja in the lead, followed by Maypan, Spread My Wings, and Gold Cugat on the farther outside. And finally, it's a cinch for La Puria Roja. Maypan, Spread My Wings, Gold Cugat, and Diamond Dane.
Okay, 5-2